What's going on, my good people? It's your boy Jay Fry, letting you know about this MyQ smart garage camera. It's gonna be really quick, so let's see what's inside the box and get this thing installed. But before we get started, I need you to help your boy out by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and sharing with at least one other person, maybe even two. Appreciate it. Let's go. So I have a LiftMaster MyQ garage door opener that gives you the option to control it through an app and add cameras. I purchased this camera on sale for $39.99, which I don't feel like it's too bad. Some of the features it offers is easy setup with Bluetooth, smartphone control, 130-degree wide angle view, low light visibility, people detection, and two-way communication. Let me know down in the comments if you have this camera and if you like it or not. Also, if you're looking to purchase one, just select the link below. Now it's time to open the box and see what's inside. After that, we'll get it installed. Alright, let's see how easy this thing is to install. As you've seen, it didn't come with anything, so it just had the camera, the plug, the magnet that's already stuck on there, and a wipe to clean it. Actually, it has this 3M tape on it I could peel off, but I don't think I'm gonna peel it off just yet. I'm just gonna stick it up there because it's a magnet. I might want to move it later. I don't know, it might fall off. I'll come back and zip tie it later, clean it up just a little bit more, not much but a little bit more. Maybe take this 3M sticker off of it and go ahead and stick it to it. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up on the computer and see what we got. Alright, now you see there's nothing really to it. It only has a few pieces, really easy to install with no tools required. After that, you just go onto the app, follow the instructions, and be set up within less than 5 minutes. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, and all that good stuff. Holla at your boy.